Hi guys, we received this really nice ceiling fan with LEDs for viewing purpose. As you can see, these all around are the LEDs. And this is the proper fan blades. They have this really nice wooden finish, which I like a lot. It comes obviously with all you need to install them in here, and it comes obviously with the controller that uses two AAA batteries. As you can see, the control, you got everything you need to control: the lights, the spin, the brightness, the temperature, the 6 modes of the fan, and you can set it up for 1 hour or 4 hours, which is really nice. So let's go and install it. Okay, so as you can see, I've already got it all connected. I can turn on the fan with the control or turn everything off with the same control. Change the light, the temperature, set it more, a little bit to brightness, which is nice. See, it's very bright. And change the warmness depending on how you like it. Change to the RGB mode, how it changes. You got different options. Which is nice. You can set it for 4 hours or 1 hour. And what is nice is you can set it up with your phone, as you can see. Shows some scenes. Or choose white light directly. So it's really nice that you can have all this customization. As you can see, it's a very easy installation. Some screws and that's ready. And it's very nice. I like it a lot. See ya!